Hey guys, Damon here. Are you just getting started out in real estate investing, but you're not sure where to begin? I know what it's like because I was the same way when I first got started. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to get you started down the right path to success so you can start making money in real estate. So let's get going. As I said, I know what it's like when you first get started in real estate investing. It can be scary because you're not sure where to start or what to do, and you're afraid of messing up. But I will share from my experiences the tips that I've learned over the years and also from my mentors to make it easier for you. The first tip when getting started in real estate investing is to know your why. Not just to make a whole lot of money, because you can definitely do that, but why are you doing it? Are you doing it to have more freedom? Are you doing it to quit a job that you hate? Are you doing it so you can have more vacation or you can travel more with your family? Or, just to have more excitement in life? Whatever it is, you need to know the reason why you're doing it. When times get hard and you get pushed down, you need to focus on that why, and that is going to be the fuel that gets you through the hard times. The second tip when getting started in real estate investing is to learn a proven strategy. And there's a whole lot of good strategies out there, such as wholesaling, lease purchase, owner financing, subject to, and many others. For me, my personal favorite has always been creative financing, such as lease purchase, because there's very little risk or money required to get started. And if you'd like to learn more about some of these strategies, be sure to check out my other video where I go over them in detail. So getting back to the second tip, you just want to pick 1 or 2 strategies at first and learn them very well. And once you do learn them, you want to take action and implement the things that you've learned. You want to do so consistently and be patient, and the results will come. The third tip when getting started in real estate investing is you have to market consistently for buyers and sellers. I was guilty of not marketing consistently when I first started, and my business suffered. If you don't have consistent leads coming in, you're going to struggle to gain traction and eventually want to give up. Even if you're on a limited budget, there's many ways to market for free, such as picking up the phone and calling sellers until you find a great deal. The bottom line is you have to be proactive and get consistent leads. So marketing is key. That's the only way you're going to get enough leads to be able to do 2 to 4 deals a month. The fourth tip when getting started in real estate investing is to learn sales. If your marketing is working and you have buyer and seller leads coming in every day, but you can't close them and make money, then your whole business is going to suffer. If we can't convert these leads to sales, then we won't be in business very long. Because at the end of the day, we're in business to make money, to give us the lifestyle that we want and deserve. So knowing sales is the difference between making a little bit of money and making a lot of money. Knowing just what to say at the right moment to get someone to do business with you is the goal. So mastering the art of sales is key. The fifth tip when getting started in real estate investing is to find someone that's already done it, someone that can mentor you and guide you through it step by step. It's a shortcut, so to speak, and quickens the learning curve because they've already done it. You quickly learn from all their experiences, both the good and the bad, so it can save you from making costly mistakes by doing the wrong thing. Just find someone that knows what they're talking about and that's available and can answer your questions whenever you have them. And there are many good teachers out there who've already gone through that. So there you have it, 5 tips that I would recommend to anyone who's starting out in real estate investing as a beginner. If you have any questions about getting started in real estate, like strategies, marketing, sales, feel free to call or text me. I answer my own phone. My number is 314-764-5656. Or go to my website, damonboudreaux.com, and schedule a free 15-minute consultation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something. If you did, click the like button below, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.